pretty baby. You pretty baby. You baby. Do you know? You gonna chat to mommy again? Hello? No? No more talking? Little bit? Little bit? Little bit talking?
Get the little talkative pet.
Hey?
You get the talkative.
Hey, what are you going to talk about to the babies at baby group? Yeah? Are you going to talk to them? What are you going to tell them? Are you going to tell them how you like hot milk? Can you tell them all about hot milk? Bubble. Yeah? Yeah, hot milk. Not all the babies get hot milk, you know. You're very lucky. Oh, yes. Yeah. I was getting happy about the hot milk.
You little smiley thing.
Yeah.
You smiling?
You look happy about that. Oh, yeah. Some babies don't get the hot milk. No. Yeah. What they have is the powdered milk formula. Yeah. Okay for them. Yeah, but your hot milk's better. Yeah. Like it. We're giving the hiccups now.